Hey guys, welcome to Kitchen Pork Pie. Today I'm gonna show you how to make vegan roasted veggie quiche. Wrap the silken tofu with paper towels and let it sit for about 30 minutes to remove excess moisture. Preheat the oven to 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a bowl, mix flour and salt. Add extra virgin olive oil and rub it into the flour until it becomes uniform. Add soy milk and mix until a dough forms. Gently flatten it, cut in half, and stack the pieces. Repeat this process about 6 times to create layers. Roll out the dough between 2 pieces of plastic wrap until it becomes 3 mm thick. Grease the pan with oil if the pan doesn't have non-stick coating. Line a quiche pan with the rolled dough and trim off any excess from the edges. Prick the bottom and sides with a fork. You can make cookies with the leftover dough. Place a piece of parchment paper with pie weights and pre-bake for 25 minutes until set. Remove the pie weights and parchment paper and bake for another 20 minutes. In a bowl, cream the drained tofu with white miso and salt until it becomes smooth. Add extra virgin olive oil, nutritional yeast, and Italian herbs. Blend until completely smooth and creamy. Mince the garlic and slice the vegetables about 1 cm thick. You can use any favorite vegetables such as eggplants, onions, broccoli, and sweet corn. In a large pan, with extra virgin olive oil. Sautee the minced garlic until the aroma comes out. Sautee the slices of a potato first until they become tender. Sautee the slices of zucchini, bell pepper, and mushrooms until they become tender. Set them aside. Layer the cooked vegetables in the pre-baked crust. Pour tofu filling over the vegetables. Make sure the tofu filling is spread evenly in the crust. Top the quiche with sliced cherry tomatoes and vegetables with fresh dill. Drizzle some extra virgin olive oil on top of the vegetables. Bake at 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 35 to 45 minutes. The center should be set and the edges should be lightly golden. Cool the quiche at least 30 minutes before slicing. The quiche is best served warm or at room temperature. You can keep the quiche in the refrigerator for about 3 days, but the crust will get slightly soggy after a few days. I hope you enjoy making this delicious vegan roasted veggie quiche and sharing it with someone you love. For the detailed recipe, check out my website at kitchenporcupine.com. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys again soon.